everyone, welcome to A Story a Day, an initiative by Pehli Akshar, where we help share learning through the magic of stories. I am Kanishka Paryani, a craft blogger from Mumbai. Today I am going to read you a lovely story called The Amazing Adventure. It's written by Kim and Arun and illustrated by Syed Sophie. Let's begin. Near a stream, Tito was tired and upset. Rika, his cousin, asked him to play football. Tito kept silent and took a phone from his pocket. Rika asked, "Why did you take your mother's phone?" Tito did not respond and continued using it. Soon it got dark. Thunder cracked and lightning flashed. Rika grabbed for the phone to turn it off. Tito, using a phone or taking shelter under a tree during a lightning storm is dangerous. Tito did not listen. They fought for the phone and accidentally pressed the button. The thunder boomed. The sky got darker. A strange light appeared. Suddenly, a strange object landed with a loud noise. Tito and Rika, along with the townspeople, were startled to see a green creature coming out. Ah, a UFO and an alien. The alien said, "My name is Alien. When I want to have fun, I like to fly. Do you want to go with me?" Tito nodded his head and walked towards Alien. Rika grasped his arm to stop him. Tito looked at her seriously. "Don't be a pest. I want to go. You know that my mother does not have time to go on walks with me." Tito ran into the UFO. Rika followed him, along with a puppy and a firefly. The alien swiped his finger across a screen. The UFO's door closed automatically and it took off. Tito asked Rika, "Why did you come? Don't you worry that your parents be looking for you?" "What about you?" she replied firmly. "How do you think your parents will feel?" As they flew, they saw creeks, streams, lakes, rivers, and the sea. Then they saw villages, roads, and cities. Tito exclaimed, "How wonderful!" Rika asked the puppy, "What's wrong with you? Maybe you are airsick." They flew higher and they saw the blue earth below. Alien said, "The ship has arrived in outer space." Rika exclaimed, "Wow, I have never seen anything like this before." Tito added, "How beautiful." Tito took out the phone to take pictures. They could see other planets clearly and the huge sun burning gas. Alien snapped his fingers and proudly said, "Shh, I will show you something more wonderful." He pressed a button and a screen appeared in front of Tito. On it, they saw many pictures of aliens' activities. Alien swiped his finger across another, bigger screen. This screen showed a cartoon. "We have all kinds of cartoons," Alien boasted. "You can watch all you like." Tito swiped the screen to watch another cartoon. "But I wanted to watch the other one," Rita complained. Alien saw the puppy was getting worse. "You should rest," he said, and swiped the screen. A comfy sofa and headphones appeared in front of each of them. "This is comfortable resting place," Rika said. "There's music too," Tito added. After they had rested for a while, Alien pressed another button. An octopus-like food machine appeared. One of its arms gave food to Rika and other fed Tito. The puppy and the firefly slept happily. Suddenly, the ship gave a terrible shake, but no one lost their balance. "We have arrived on another planet," Alien said. He told everyone to put on special suits before leaving the ship. Rika looked around with curiosity. "This place is different from our home," Tito nodded with a sad face. "That's right. No water, no trees, and it's hot." Then there was an explosion. Dust flew into the air and they could not see anything. Aliens shouted, "The meteorites are coming! Hurry, get into the ship!" Everyone panicked and ran toward the UFO. Alien flew the ship. A huge meteorite was approaching. "Look out!" Tito and Rika shouted together. The ship swerved to avoid the meteorite, but it shook violently. Red fire blazed and an alarm sounded. "Danger! Danger!" The whole ship became dark. Alien shouted, "The controls are broken! The controls are broken!" Everyone was worried. "We are in trouble," they thought. "We are going to die." Rita thought to herself, "I want to go home. I miss my parents. We must find a solution." Seeing the light of the firefly, Rika grabbed the phone from Tito to give light. The firefly flew to the broken controls to give more light. Using the new light, Alien checked the controls and began repairing them. The puppy helped Rika and Tito find tools for Alien. Alien said, "The ship is running out of power. I need help." Tito handed the phone battery to him. "Here you are," Tito said. "Try this. Hurry up, hurry up," Rika warned. "Another meteorite is coming." The alien placed the phone battery into the ship's control. The controls worked. The alien steered the ship to safety. "Fantastic, Alien!" Tito and Rika shouted excitedly. "We are out of danger." They returned to Earth. The townspeople were surprised to see the ship return and gathered around it. Tito's and Rika's parents hugged them with tears in their eyes. They were very happy to see them again. Alien said goodbye to them. Tito took the phone from his pocket and handed it to his parents, but the phone did not have a battery. Tito shouted, "Stop, Alien! Don't forget to return my phone battery." The next morning, Tito woke up in bed with the phone in his hand. Rika and the puppy came in. Tito smiled and told Rika, "I dreamed about an alien." "So did I," Rika exclaimed. They checked their phone and had a great surprise. Pictures of their wonderful journey with the alien. Now that's an adventurous story. Hope you liked the story. Thanks for listening to it. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.